Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and if you're into Huck's World. Today we got an awesome free watch face that's ready for download. I will be leaving a link in the description box down below. Download is a must. With that being said, let's get started with this review. All right, you all, the name of the watch face is called Vintage Series 4. The developer did a beautiful job on this watch face. And I'm thinking the reason it stood out to me is probably the font of this watch face, right? It really looks good. It looks premium. Now, in the AOD mode, it's going to be in a black theme mode, but you'll be able to see your information and your time at a glance. Now, I like the stamp, right, of the digital time. Really brings out this watch face. And you're going to get all the information you need for steps. You're going to get your heart rate information, step info, battery info. You also, for your run, you got your music that you can tap off into. You got your weather, and you can also set an alarm as well. You come down, you got your calories, you got your distance. You also got your date information. I like how Saturday is spelled out, and then you got this black background. It's going to help with battery efficiency. So overall, the watch face looks absolutely gorgeous. And with a single tap, you can go into all your information from your music to your weather to your alarm. You can also do the same thing for your step information. Single tap will take you in there. And that's it, except for the fact that if I double tap, I can change the color thing of the watch face. Very nice. Just keep tapping until you get to the color you like, and you're all good. So what do you think, guys? Is this a download, or are you going to leave this free watch face right where it's at? Me, I'm going to tell you right now, this one gets my stamp of approval. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please don't forget, hit the like button on the way out, smash that notification bell, and make sure you subscribe. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Enjoy life, have some fun, you all, and remember to be safe.